Hi, so in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about while true. So let's begin first by doing a little review of something. If I set, as you can see in this program here, make that a little bigger, I think, for you. There we go. I have a variable I call reply. And if I set reply equal to the string, just single character in the string, y, so if that puts a lowercase y in there, right? So I'm going to print is reply. Now remember, this is saying here, print is reply equal to y. Is this true or false? So let me run this. I'll show you. There we go. It is true. Y is equal to lowercase y. If I change this to something else, let's say an x, okay, clear this, run it, becomes false. Even an uppercase y, okay, it still evaluates to be false. Okay. So this is a Boolean expression being evaluated. Is this true or false? Let's just make it true one more time. There we go. All right, that's leading us into something. But first, I need to do something else. Okay, I need to bring us back to this program right here. So let me get rid of this here. I don't know if you remember this from before, but here I am setting reply equals to y. Okay. While reply equals y or y, so lowercase or uppercase y, while this condition evaluates to be true. Well, we just saw, matter of fact, I could do that again right here. I could say print does reply equal y. Is it the lowercase, which it is here? I'm using, maybe I should be consistent, right? Use double quotes in both places, since I'm using double quotes in this program here. I had copied this, so let me put that back to like, looks like that. There we go. All right. So while reply is equal to lower or uppercase y, is that true? Well, right now, the first go around, yes, it is true. This evaluates to be true. Let's run this and make sure. So true, this condition evaluates to be true. As we can see right here, it tells us it's true. Okay, so it prints hello and says, do you want me to say hello again? So it's asking me to put a new value into this variable reply. Now, as long as I type either a lowercase or uppercase y here, okay, it's going to continue to evaluate to be true, which means it's going to continue to the next statement in this loop. It will print hello and ask me again. So let's go ahead. Lowercase y. Yeah, all right, that worked. How about uppercase y? Yes. How about if I put anything else, okay, other than a lowercase or uppercase y? What if I just put n? Program is done, okay? It's finished. Well, in this case, it actually exited the loop. If I had another statement here like print, I don't know, no more hellos. Okay, let's clear this. Run, do you want me to say hello again? Yes. Yes, we got the kind of the output, the output, and the input kind of got garbled there, but that's okay. There's our hello. Do you want me to say hello again? If I say no, no more hellos. It exits the loop and then executes the next statement in our program. What am I getting to? All right. Let me show you something here. We don't have to actually go through all this with creating a variable here and doing this. There's actually another way we can do that. Let me show you. Okay, so let me exit this or get rid of all that. And let me copy in some code here. Okay, so right now what I've done is, let me use this reply variable again. But right now, as you can see, there's nothing, we haven't even set a value in it. Look at this, I have a while loop, but it just says while true. So what while true does is it's a loop in Python that runs without any condition. me say that again. The while loop in Python, the while true loop in Python runs without any conditions until the break statement is encountered inside the loop. The break statement will then exit the loop. Really? Yeah, let's take a look. So I have while true. Okay, so it's going to run without any conditions. Let's just run this. Okay, I'm going to print hello. Then I'm going to say reply equals. Remember, this is the reply variable that we used before. Input, that little bit so you can see that a little bit better. There we go. Reply input. Do you want me to say hello again? Now, if reply equals y, lowercase or uppercase y, we'll print okay. And then we'll come back up here. So I just wanted to show you after the if there. I could do something else here. I could just say pass, which means do nothing. But what I want to show you is it will not do this else, right? So we'll go if, just print okay. Then it'll come back up to here again, print hello, and then ask me again. So this break is not being encountered. When will this break be encountered? Okay, the break will be encountered if when I prompt the user, do you wish to say hello again? If they enter in anything but a lower or uppercase y, it will break. The break is a statement in Python that terminates the loop containing it. So here's the loop that the break is in. It will terminate this loop, and then we'll come down here, no more hellos. Let's take a look. So comes down while true. Remember the while true loop, Python runs without any conditions. Yes, I'm going to print hello. Oh, you're asking me a question. Do you want me to say hello again, Y or N? As long as I type in Y or Y, lower or uppercase. Okay, let's do that. I do a lowercase. Okay, it printed okay. You saw that right there. Then it comes, forget about this else break. There's no more statements in this while loop here. So it comes back up here. This is still true. Prints hello and asks me again, do you wish to say hello again? I'll do uppercase Y. Okay. Comes back up here. Prints hello. There we go. Do you wish me to say hello again? Now, if I type anything but lower or uppercase Y, it will say, okay, well, this wasn't true. Okay, this is not true. This condition is not true. If this is true, do this, but if it's not true, else break. That will exit the loop. Let's take a look. I'll just do an end. No more hellos. Okay, just want to show you one more time, just so show you that if I type anything other than a Y, lower uppercase Y here, it will break. Okay, I'll type one lowercase y, and then I'll type anything. I'll just do a Z. Okay, no more hellos. Okay, because it was something other than a Y or a Y. All right. Hope you found that useful. We'll be using it later, but it's a very nice way to do a while loop without testing any kind of conditions. Just runs this condition. The while true loop just runs without any conditions. All right, hope you enjoyed this video.